Hello party people. Hi, welcome back. I promise I'm not bald. I've got a hair clip in my hair. In this particular house, I have had 4 different rooms. I was in another room on the other side of my house and I had like pink decor. It was the iconic room where I wrote Dear Boys at my school and Dear Girls. And then I came into this guest room and I had my cute little floral garlands, mirror in the circle, white IKEA bed, very cute. That was during COVID. Then I had my retro room where my bed was on the floor and I had like vinyls all over, had my grandpa's old record player. That was a cute one too. And then I had this room where I installed these wood floors, revamped the whole thing, and I don't know, I'd say this is like a little cute dainty, I don't even know what to call it, but this one or the room where I had the floral garlands was my favorite. You guys know me. Every summer I redo my room, and it's not because I'm like bored of my room, it's because I genuinely love interior design, just like making these videos. I think they're so fun. I moved into my own house up in Idaho in 4 days. So my crazy self decided that I'm gonna redo my room once again because it's a tradition. Every summer I do it. So that's what we're gonna do today. I didn't buy like a lot of decor, but I do have new bedding and stuff. So RIP to this one because I freaking love this bedding. Look at how just beautiful it is. And I'm also just gonna like move my room around and stuff, but I wanted to document this and take you guys along with me. So I think that's all I have to say. Let's get right into it. Subscribe if you're not already, give this video a thumbs up, and get ready for Going Solo Diary series. I can't wait, it's gonna be so good. All right, let's get into it. So here's what we're working with. My bed has always been in the corner since I changed it to this room, but I think I want to put it in the middle of my room. So scoot it more like this. I don't really know. Hopefully I have space. So let's just move all of this stuff. While I'm at it, I think I'm just gonna take off all the bedding because I already have different bedding that I want to put on here. I kind of want to move my desk so hard. I'm like, what do I do with this space that I have? So I kind of want to move this desk where my mirror is right over there and then like flip-flop them, but I already know it's gonna be so heavy. Whatever, it's okay. Oh my god, wait. Can I do this? Y'all pray for me. This mirror is like 300 pounds. I did it, I did it, I did it! Oh my gosh! Okay, wait. Kind of works out perfect because I've got like these 2 flowers on the side. Okay, now I'm gonna move this. Yay! Just gotta get the chair. Also, it's perfect because it doesn't hit the desk. This is what it currently looks like right now. I'm kind of obsessed with this here. I actually really, really like it. I need to take a water break though. I don't think I'm gonna move anything else in here. I do need to clean up all this fuzz. Like, look at how much freaking dust that is. And it's like everywhere on the floor. So I'm gonna clean that, but first, I have new bedding to put on. And I'm really excited because it's a color that I've never done for my room. I just thought I would change it up, do something a little out of my comfort zone. Now I'm finally gonna do my bed. So I've got a few things from Bedsure. Thank you, Bedsure, for sponsoring today's video. First, we've got a cooling blanket. Oh my gosh, it's already cold. My room, since it's at the front of the house, it's literally the hottest room. There's always like one room in every house that is super hot. Yeah, that's my room. This blanket is so cold. Wait, I kind of love this. This is perfect. Oh my god. Next up, we have a gray comforter. It literally just expanded. I always found gray to be more of like a mature adult color, and now that I'm 18, I guess you know what that means. This package is so satisfying. Every time I cut it, it like expands. Ooh, this material feels so nice. This is what it looks like. Wait, I'm so excited. Okay, so that's the comforter. I've got the down alternative comforter set. This is the sheets and the pillowcases. Not only does it come with the sham covers, but it also has the regular pillow covers. My bed really said all gray. So that's in that package. Then, so I'm pretty sure once I'm gone, my parents are going to take advantage of the fact that the house is empty and probably have a lot of guests over. So now we will have 3 different rooms. I'm not as sentimental about my room needing to be my room whenever I come back from college because I'm gonna have my own house. My sister has not touched her room at all. She still has her graduation like cards and stuff up on the walls, but that is because she lives in a dorm at the Air Force Academy. So, you know, obviously I understand why she would want to come back to her room. But for me, I can make this more of a guest room instead of like, oh yeah, this is Caroline's girly room. What is this? Ooh, pillows. I've never seen pillows packaged like this. It literally looks like a tube. This is gonna be satisfying when I cut it open. Wait, this is so fluffy. Another one. Then we have the mattress pad. Another box. Overfilled mattress pad. So this goes over your mattress, like a mattress protector. All right, and then last but not least is this big old thing. I think this is like a mattress topper, I wanna say. Hello from my new house. Bedsure was so thoughtful and sent me 2 sets, one to decorate my old room, and since I'm taking all of my stuff, they sent me a new one to my new house. With Bedsure, turn your dorm into a cozy den. This is a all-in-one package. The mattress pad is filled with 300 GSM microfiber pad filling, and that just makes the firm dorm room mattress nice, soft, and fluffy. Pad and topper are on. Now I'm going to put on the sheets. I'm sweating. It's cozy and soft to the touch. The comforter feels like a cloud. I personally love the stylish design, like the Pintuck adds a sort of elegance to the dorm room. I'm currently in the guest bedroom. Like I said before, Bedsure sent the same package, which is the Startage package number 2. So if you guys want the stylish package and you want the cutest, like most elegant looking comforter, choose that one. They also have a standard one, but this one is the way to go, trust me. Because I love my Bedsure pieces so much, I went online, ordered another set. This one is for the Air mattress, which is going to be in my office, so in case people come over, this room will be decked out in Bedsure, and so will this one. The whole stylish package is such a great value with the mattress topper, comforter, all of this, the whole 9-piece set. It's only $99.9. That's such a suitable price. So if you're going to be a college student or you're looking at options for bedding, Bedsure is the way to go. It comes in twin and twin XL sizes. Bedsure can turn your dorm into a cozy den. It's available in pink and gray, and finally, it is so easy to care. All the products are machine washable and durable. Super excited to have this in my new home and as well in my old room back in Texas. Really quick, I'm just gonna give you a verbal tour. But yeah, this is perfect. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And my bedding is so comfortable. I like jumped on top of it and it was divine. When you walk in through the door, to your right is the desk and vanity. This is my favorite desk. Sorry, this door's open. It's from Wayfair and I really like it because it's like very elegant and cute, but also it gives you enough workspace to use it to do homework. But yeah, I always feel put together whenever I get ready here. My boyfriend got me these beautiful flowers the other day, so they're just sitting in my vase. But other than that, I've got my makeup brushes, jewelry box, and some books. And then down here, I have my UGG slippers. Those are my favorite. Then we've got my bed. And my bed feels so tall now with the mattress pad, but I honestly love it. I really, really like this gray color. I would definitely recommend shopping for bedding and room decor on Bedsure. They have the cutest options and really, really great material. I'm really happy with everything that I chose. We have my little back pillow from Amazon. I use this a lot and put it on my bed whenever I edit, or sometimes if I'm just feeling like in a different mood, I'll just sit on the ground, honestly, and lay against this and edit. Then I've got my YouTube YouTube plaques, decor, and then my big mirror. I love this mirror so much. It's from Wayfair. Also obsessed with the little flowers on each side. And then we've got my little dresser with my TV and some more decor on it. I've got this volcano candle burning. It smells so good. And then over here, I decided to use this tray that I got from Amazon and put my laptop, iPad, glasses, and lighter on it. And now I can finally open my big windows. I haven't been able to open it because my bed was like right up against it. So now there's space for my nightstand. And on my nightstand, I've got my lamp and then yeah, all my books down there. So that is it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. I am so sad. This is it. The last room makeover in this house and in this room, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. This was a very low budget room makeover. All my other ones have been very, very pricey. All it takes is a new bedspread and just rearranging of items in your room and it feels like a whole new room. I love you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day and I'll see y'all in my next video. Ciao.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good.